Welcome to Mr. O's Adventures. Today we will be learning about basic controls and what they do. First, we will be doing takeoffs and landings. The equipment we will be using is the DJI Neo and the DJI RCN3. To manually take off, move the control sticks down and inwards at the same time. That starts the engines. Then move the left one up to move it up. To manually land, move the left control stick down. The drone will go down till it lands. This will make it shut off its engines. To take off, push this button at the left, then hold it. Don't make it auto take off. To auto land, press the same button you do to auto take off and hold it. That will make it go down and land. To either pause your drone or do an emergency stop, press this button once. To initiate RTH, press and hold this button. RTH means return to home. That means the drone will return to home point. Your drone might have to initiate an auto RTH if the battery level is running low, or if you have set it that way when signal is lost to avoid flyaways. That will be explained in another video.